Hello guys, welcome to House Plan Market. If you are new at this site, you are highly welcome. Today I'm going to be addressing issues on house plan purchase. If you are wondering how you can purchase any of our house plan, you have different ways how you can purchase our house plan. The first one is by direct transfer to the bank account. The second one is by using your debit card or your credit card to make purchase. The good thing about house plan market is that we accept both international and local transaction. So if you are someone outside the country Nigeria, you can purchase our house plan directly from your point with your debit card or credit card. If you are within Nigeria and you want to transfer direct to our account, you can easily transfer directly to our account. How do you go about it? First thing you need to do is get the house plan of your choice. In my last video, I showed you guys how you can choose different house design concepts by going through this icon here and select from this option. Alright. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can purchase a particular house plan of your choice. Okay. Now if you are looking at this, for example, you want to purchase this particular house design, or maybe as any church house design. Okay, all you need to do is to come to this particular collection, house plan collection, and you click on it. And once you click on it, the house collection will be displayed, where you will see other house design concepts than that you can make use of. So if I found this interesting and I want to purchase this house plan, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on either the image or the text. By clicking on the text, it's going to take me to the single page where I'll get more information about the house plan of my choice. Now, this is the title of the house plan, and this is the house plan image, the 3D image, and you have other images here. Scrolling down a little, it's going to give me the overview of this house plan. The overview simply tells you the condition of the floor plan, what you should be expecting when you purchase this house plan. For house plan market, we did not expose our floor plan. The floor plan is embedded directly to this house plan. It is only after purchase you will have access link that you can use to access the floor plan and other documents that are included depending on the particular house plan or house plan set you purchase. So if you scroll down detail again, you are still going to see the house plan ID. You're going to see the square meter, the area in square feet, the dimension, okay, the length and the width, or the width rather and the length. All right. Then the room sizes, if it's going to be 1 or 2 or 3, you're going to see it here. And the status, if it's on sale, you're going to see that it's on sale. If it's not on sale, you're going to see that it's not on sale. And this particular area below it is the cost of the house plan set. At house plan market, we have about 4 different house plan sets. This is done deliberately to assist clients that don't have enough capital to purchase a complete document. If, for example, you are okay with this house plan, but you just needed to see the floor plan before you make a purchase decision, you can go for the floor plan alone set, and the price is just here. But if you want a soft copy of the complete or the completed house plan work that you can take for approval, you can go for the PDF house plan set, and this is the cost. And if you want a hard copy that can be shipped to your shipping location, then you can go for the 6 hard copy price, and this is the cost here. And if you are into real estate or you're a property developer and you want the raw file of the house plan, you can go for the AutoCAD set. The C the C option we are talking about here is the seal us the seal option is something that you can choose. It's optional, okay? It's not included in any of these. But if you want the seal option to be included, you can add it when you are adding to cart. You can choose any of them when you're adding to cart. But if you are purchasing the 6 hard copy the 6 hard copy set, it automatically comes with the seals. But if you are purchasing just the PDF set, you don't have the seal on it because it's a soft copy document. But if you want us to fix our seal on your document, you can equally purchase any of these seal, send the document to us, and we're going to affix our seal on them and send it back to you. This is optional, totally optional. It's not compulsory for clients that are private. All right. And below it a little, you definitely see purchase house plan. Okay, at this point now, if you want to purchase this particular house plan above, all you need to do is to click on this box here and you select the one that favors you. If this is what you want, you select it. Okay, there's no point selecting more than just one, okay, because they are almost the same thing but just little different. So you don't need to select PDF and floor plan at the same time. You can only choose one particular house plan set if you want to purchase. All right. So for example, if I'm going for the PDF, you just choose the PDF house plan set, and this is the cost. Now this is the seal option. Because it's PDF, you don't need to choose the seal option. The next thing you need to do is to add to cart. Now I'm going to be adding to cart. This particular illustration is for mobile phone users. If you are using your mobile phone, this is how you go about it, and it's pretty simple and easy. So once you've got to the cart, then the next is to check, you cross check, make sure that the price is exactly what you want and the quantity is exactly the quantity that you want. Once you are okay with that, if you are using the coupon, you insert the coupon code there and you apply it. If you don't have coupon, when I mean coupon, I mean if you have a discount code, you can apply it here. Okay, you can fix the discount code there and you apply it. So whatever thing is the discount code that you have, you're going to get a reduction or an increment on it. So at the end of the day, you're going to see the subtotal and the information, your address and every other thing you are doing. So once you are okay with it and the amount you are seeing at the checkout stage is the same thing at this point, then you are good to go. You go straight to the checkout. Now once you get to the checkout, the next thing you are likely to do is to fill your information. Alright. If you are not a registered member, if you have not logged in into if you have not registered with Houseplan Market, you will be asked here to register, or you will be given information that will enable you to register. And once you have registered, you fix your details and you have your username and all the rest done, okay, the next thing is for you to move to your payment processing platform. Okay, moving to your payment processing platform is very easy. Now because I'm logged, I've already logged in, so the next thing is my order. You can see your order, they are okay. All right, then if you are paying with direct bank transfer, now this is where you get the account details. All you need to do is to pay to this particular account here. All right, but if it's not direct, if you want to use your card, then you enable this. Once you enable this, all right, then the next thing you are going to do is you accept the terms and condition and you place order. If your forms are not properly filled, you are going to it's going to refer you back to do the correct thing before you can move to the next place or to the processing platform. I don't think it's difficult. If you are using your mobile phone, this is just the simple step how you can purchase house plan from us. Okay, you can easily pay directly. Once you pay directly with this, okay, you can easily come to this point and you send us a mail that you have made your payment. If you are purchasing house plan, you are paying directly to the bank, it's not going to be, you're not going to get the link automatically. Okay, you have to send us a notification that you've just made a payment. All right, apart from you sending us a notification that you've made a payment, once you make this payment directly, we are going to see we are still going to receive a notification that Mr. So 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 has purchased house plan from us, and we are going to contact you so that we can create that link for you. But if you want the link to be automatically, the best thing you need to do is to use your debit card. If you use your debit card and the moment you click on place order and every transaction is successful, then your account or the download link will be activated for you automatically. Once you log in or you go back to your member area, the area you need to go to is, sorry, you get to your download, my download, and you're going to see all the files that you need to be downloaded. It's as simple as this. I don't think it's difficult, but if you have gotten to this stage and you are still finding it difficult, please just feel free. You can send us message through the WhatsApp link or use our contact details below. These are our contact details. I think where is it here? You can send us message through our support desk or support tickets, or through contact us. We are going to reply you back as soon as possible. Thank you. I hope it's not going to be difficult for you to make your payments henceforth, but if you still find it somehow difficult, please feel free share your comment with me and move on from there.